Hello everyone, I am Shutanshu Mishra from D11A. Today teach you a basic of a blender. So we are studying in engineering. In engineering there are many branches like automotive, aviation, bioengineering, chemical, comms, electronic and many more. And there are many subjects like maths, engineering drawing, DBMS, machine learning, etc. But a engineer engineer from any branch have to give a presentation if he is from computer, electronic, EXTC, instrument, from anything. And in presentation a more unique thing is how you can present a presenting view your skills. If you're from engineering or from outside of engineering, or else you're completed engineering and you're doing a job, you are doing a presentation 24 by 7 in every day in your day-to-day life. So to make your presentation more unique, today I will teach you a blender. So guys, I am on the blender. Now when you start the blender, you get the poster like this. In that you can select journal, 2D, sculpting. There are various things. You will select journal. When you start with the blender, there is a default thing. You come on the screen like cube, camera. We can also have in edit mode. Guys, we are in object mode. There's a various mode like edit mode, sculpt mode, vertex mode. Like if I click on edit mode, I will give a more variation to make my object in a detail view. But I will go again in object mode. Okay, so here's the screen. When you add any object, you can see from here. So here's a part where you can adjust everything of your object: location, rotation, scale, adding color, and everything. This is a part where you can rotate, move, cursor. The thing is used, and this is the common thing in everywhere, like new, open. You have to edit it if you want to blender the image. So most important thing in the blender is you should have a mouse of 3 buttons because it will be very helpful to you. So the object is placed in a 3D view, 3D plane basically. You can see it. Okay, so you can also see your 3D view in the various axes like a Z axis, Y axis, and a X axis. And you can also see a view by a shortcut key as just pressing Y1, 3 and 7. You will get the variation of your view. Okay, so if you want to delete any objects, just click on an object and press delete. To delete object will be deleted. If you want to add any object, just press shift A and you will get a window on a screen where you can add, like if you want to add a plane, a cube, a circle, sphere, cylinder, anything. As example, I want to add a sphere. I have added it. But have you seen the sphere has been put in the center? Because our cursor is put in the center to move objects, just click on that, hit G and you can move it. But if you want to move in an axis way, just press G and after that hit on an axis like X axis, it will flow on X axis. Hit Y, it will flow in a Y axis, and hit Z up and down for a Z axis. Okay, so these are for the moving your object. If you want to rotate your object, just click on the object, press R. You can rotate it. Here you can't see because it's a sphere. I will just add a cube here. You can see the cube. Now I will just hit R. You can see I get in the rotation object. I can also rotate in a variation of the axis like hitting R and then X. You can see it will rotate on a variation. If I hit R and then Y, it will rotate in a Y direction, and if I hit R and Z, it will rotate on that. If you want to increase size of an object, just hit on S, that is scale, and you can increase it. You can also increase it by putting a number like 2. I will just keep it 0. You can also change your object scale, rotation and location just hitting N on the screen, and you will get a panel here. Here you can change your location, rotation and a scale of your object. Okay, and you can also change from here also of your rotation. I'll just press. So guys, there is one more thing. If you want to make your object or duplicate your object, it is very helpful for you to making your object easily way. Just press shift and D and take it above. You can see I get the one more object here. So I will put it here and I will zoom it. You can see I get 2 objects. So it will be very helpful to you to make your object in detail in a very easily way. Need back. Now I will come to the camera view. If I click here, here's the camera. You will get the view of your camera. You can also press 0 and you can get the view of your camera. If you want to move your camera, adjust your camera according to your rendering view, just click the camera and hit G. You can move it. If you want to move in a direction way, hit G and then X. It will move in a direction of X. If you want to move in direction of Y, or if you want to move in direction of Z. This has the basic of the camera. There is a various view for viewing your object. Just like if your object is complicated, you can use a wireframe view. Here you can see your object in a detailed way. We are now in object view. This is a material view. In the material view, you can see your colored object. For example, if I want to color my object a sphere, I will just click on the object, and here is a material property. I will click here and I will add a new. After adding new, I will change the name, like for example cube, and press enter, and then I will change the color. For example, I want it bluish and little bit like that. So the color has been changed now. Okay, so for viewing your light view, you have to click on a render view. After viewing a render view, you can see there are some changes in the screen. Yeah, that's a render view. As I click on the variation of the light, for example sun, you can see the getup is changed, a spot, and the area, the getup has been changed. If you want to change the color of a light, I can change it. If I want to give a less power, I can put it 100. It will get a less power, but I will give it 1000 for increase the power. Similarly, like camera and object, you can move your light by pressing G. You can move it. Okay, you can adjust it light like this of your camera. Now if I want to see my final thing of an object, you can get it here. I just go in a render and I click on a render image or F12. I will get my render final image. This is a basic layout you can make your project. Now I will tell you in detail of making in a ladder, but I will just fast forward the video so it will help you because time is very less.